Welcome to our van life with our 3 chihuahuas, episode 105. We spend the day exploring Tofino, Canada, and show you around the amazing place. Join us on this epic adventure. Please like and subscribe, and we thank you for watching.
I was hoping to get some surfers, but I think we're gonna have to come down here when we get back before it's dark for a little sunset beach stroll to catch the surfers today. Yesterday there were quite a few. All right, made our way back just as the tide's coming in. And we'll probably be up pretty far by the time we get back here later today. We're back at the Crystal Cove property, and it's such a nice thing to have oceanfront access right to Tofino. No rain yet, and we're gonna head up north in the van, and we'll show you how the rest of the day goes, so stay tuned. We are here in Tofino. We are gonna check out the visitor center today after checking out the beach, and then head up to the road, Highway 4. What did we get at the visitor center, Pia?
Got a shirt.
Yeah. Some swag. I like that one. That one's for me. They have a lot of van merchandise and some magnets, right? And then they showed me, I asked specifically about dog-friendly tours, and the area is very dog-friendly, very, not officially off-leash, but they do allow a lot of dogs off-leash, and they also have dog refuse composting centers, so they're very much aware it's a big rescue area. And then this tour, we're told that a hot springs tour was very popular. So the woman working at the visitor center was nice enough to tell me about all the dog-friendly possibilities, which this area is very dog friendly, but she mentioned Jamie's tours in particular, which services both the whale watching, bear watching, and hot springs bear watching. Yes.
Where's the bear watching?
All over. So they take you to where the bears are circulating. They said
That's not dog friendly.
well, the dog friendly part is that they have folks that work on the tour that will actually kennel and take your dogs for walks and watch them if you so feel inclined while you do the tour. So essentially, if you don't want to leave your dogs at a resort or in your camper or in your car for a long time, they'll actually take care of your dogs while you do the tour. So that's a pretty cool option. I don't think it'll be for us this trip, unfortunately, but this is a pretty cool flyer, and definitely the bear tours make sense. It says it does it for low tide. Doesn't say the time, but it says the 95% success rate in sighting bears on our tours. So that's pretty cool. Just around Tofino and Usilit. So they definitely must know their stuff. So Jamie's Tours, jamies.com. We'll check it out. North Chesterman Beach. Yes, we have the doggies going to check out another popular beach here in Tofino. There's a lot of people surfing. The tide is in, so expect to see a little more action now because everything is going big. You have to pay $3 for an hour. Not too crazy, but we're gonna get the doggies out and check out a little bit about this public beach. There's resorts all around, but you can walk in and park here. Pretty cool little spot. Have bathrooms and changing areas in particular for the surfers. Hey. Yeah. Some rules. Have an area for your bikes. Blaine the Builder. That's cool. Looks like this was privately made and have some cabins and resorts nearby. Wow is right. Look at those waves coming in. It's like the surfers are all migrating from one part of the beach to another right now. And the tide is definitely coming in. There's a guy right out in the middle doing stand-up paddleboard. Dinner tonight, checking out the local spot called Shelter. So here's charters. Gonna have to check it out. Book online. Yeah, floating sauna. Not too bad. Oh, that's the mule. That's good.
Got
It's a
old-fashioned cucumber mule while we're ordering. What are we ordering?
So we got a bunch of shellfish coming, oysters and mussels, and then we're looking at a couple other pieces for later. We are here after a amazing appetizers. We had mussels and a lot of oysters that were so good. The oysters in the Vancouver area are probably the best that we've ever had. And we're heading back to Crystal Cove to our cabin, but doing a little quick stop here at across the street, which has the outside break and a grocery store called Beaches. I'm gonna go in. It's my little grocery here, and they also have a seaweed cannabis store up there, and a bike company, and looks like a restaurant, cafe back there, and a little coffee place. So lots of cool things in this little area that we definitely recommend checking out. All the stuff here in Tofino is just like so good and amazing.
Hi everyone, we are back in our cabin. We spent the whole day exploring part of Tofino. We went down to different beaches, and then we went to downtown Tofino and ended up having dinner at Shelters, which is right by the marina. So that was a great view of the ocean. And we ended up getting burgers, fries, calamari for dinner, more of dinner just in case we get hungry tonight, since we had an early supper today. I think we ate around 5 p.m. So I'm pretty sure we'll get hungry again tonight. And then we also bought dessert, which was apple, raspberry, and blueberry crumble mixed with vanilla ice cream. So I'm excited to have that for dessert tonight. We are just gonna hang around the cabin tonight. We had a thought to go down the beach again to watch the waves and the surfers, but because of the cold weather and the dogs being tired, we decided to just stay in the cabin. We got the fire going so that we can be cozy. We will probably hit the hot tub again tonight since it's our last night here at Tofino. Checkout is at 11 a.m. tomorrow, so we will make breakfast here and then start driving south. We will continue to show you around the area and stop at little places that we do spot along the way. So I hope you continue to stick around because there's plenty more to do, plenty more